How to fix SMS sending failed. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix your SMS sending failed, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you could be using an Android or you could be using an iOS. You have a default messages application which is provided to you by your phone's manufacturer by default, and you're trying to send a message to someone but it says message sending failed. Now one of the primary reasons why this happens is if you do not have enough balance. So I want you to first of all open up your keypad and then just dial for your balance code. Now this depends from the SIM card and depending upon the region that you actually live in. You just want to make sure that you have enough balance, at least up to 10 or 20 rupees or dollars depending upon wherever you are. Once you've done that and make sure that you have enough balance on your phone, the next step will require you to actually check your connection. So make sure that you have in a place where you have enough cellular tower over there, because you can see in my case it's 5 lines network. You also want to make sure that you have enough of a cellular tower, because sometimes if you're in a place that has poor network, then that could be the secondary reason why you're not being able to send messages. The third reason could be with the recipient that you're sending. So maybe the recipient has switched off the phone, maybe the recipient no longer has access to that number, maybe the phone number is deleted. In that case, just try to SMS other people and then see if that solves the problem. If not, then the problem could be with the messages app. So to fix this, first of all, long press on the messaging app icon, whichever app icon you use, then just tap the I button that you see. Once you've done that, you want to simply scroll down to storage and clear the cache files, and then make sure to clear the data. Once you clear the cache files and data, open the messages app again and then see if that actually helps you solve your problem. If it doesn't, then instead of using the normal messaging app that your phone provides, if you're on some other phone, you can instead try to use the Google Messages app that are available on your Google Play Store. So you can instead search for Google Messages and then just use this application, Messages by Google. If this doesn't work, you can also just try to use some other messages application on the list, because there are many more out there. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then fix the SMS sending fail. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.